Good morning, Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead. Happy bees, healthy honey. Just wanted to take a quick moment today to just post a quick video to say thank you. From the bottom of my heart, truly thank you. I was looking at video analytics, channel analytics last night, and just scrolling through, checking to see where I might need to tweak things or change things to try to get people more engaged, more excited, more involved with the channel. And I noticed that we hit 100 viewing hours on our YouTube channel. Thank you. I saw that and I said, you know what? We need to celebrate 100 viewing hours. That's special. You know, it would be nice if we were at 100 subscribers and 100 view hours. But you know what? I'm not going to pass that little milestone without just a little thank you video. Thank you very much. Willow, Brook, Apiary, and Homestead, happy bees, healthy honey. God bless.